Hi there. Welcome to the official Intuit MailChimp YouTube page. My name is Cody, and now that we've been officially introduced, allow me to officially walk you through everything you'll officially find right here. Officially. First and foremost, this page is a library. A library of marketing knowledge from MailChimp employees like this.
And if you're ready to build an automation, click Start.
And MailChimp experts across the globe like this.
There are a lot of amazing new things that you can do with MailChimp SMS.
Which also means it is the place to find the most up-to-date and accurate MailChimp information. Here, you'll find tons of tutorials ranging from how to set up your account, how to create complete email campaigns, how to utilize our AI tools, and, as you can tell, a whole lot more. But this isn't all tutorials and videos of me. It's also a place to watch YouTube shorts, find inspiration, and get MailChimp updates. And all of this is here to help you take your marketing and your business to the next level. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to receive the latest MailChimp information and insights, please remember to hit that subscribe button.
That's lunch?
Oh, okay, cool. I guess we're done? Okay, we're done? Guys, am I allowed to get up? Is talent free or... Guys?